In this video, you'll learn how to embed a Canva newsletter into an Outlook email for effortless sharing. First, enter your keyword in the search bar to quickly locate newsletter templates. Once you select a template, you're ready to begin designing your content. When finished, open the settings to access sharing and download options. Download your design by choosing either PNG or PDF format before confirming the download. Next, use the Share button to generate a public view link for your Canva newsletter. When prompted, copy the generated link to your clipboard for use in your email. Open Outlook and start a new message. Enter your email subject and recipient's address to prepare your newsletter for distribution. After composing your message, now go to your Downloads folder and attach the downloaded file to your email. To create a more engaging email, paste the Canva newsletter link or the full content into the message body. Enhance it by adding emojis or customizing the link display text. Select and copy the link display text, then confirm your changes so the newsletter appears as intended. Add the recipient's email once more to verify details and finalize the list of recipients for your message. Finally, click Send to share your Canva newsletter directly via Outlook. You've now mastered how to send a Canva newsletter in Outlook. Thank you for joining us.